So guys, welcome back to my channel. So here comes the FUNX app from Phone Farm Rewards. So this has been updated and they have renewed that app and closed it and renewed it as a FUNX. So let's get started. And here you can see if you have greater than 10 referrals, you will be paid within 5 days. If you have less than 10 referrals and you earn coins slowly, you will be paid within 5 days. If you have less than 10 referrals and you earn fast, you will be paid within 10 days. If you have less referrals and you earn coins very fast, you will be paid within 15 business days. So as you have to check out this, and let's move on to the home section. Here comes the first. We'll move from top to bottom, and then here's my invite link as I want to show you. So this is my code F0V2RTU, and you can get up to 16 rupees immediately after your friend plays a little bit, about 10 minutes. So this almost equals to 200 by referring your friends. As you increase your levels, I am on level 2. As you increase your levels, you'll be get paid more. And let's move on to the tasks. So here comes the daily login. So first you need to log in every day, so don't miss that. On the third day I get 50k. On the 7th day I get 100, and 14th 300, and 30th 500k, and 60 days 1 million. So this is going to be awesome. And let's move on to the game tasks. So here are the game tasks where you need to go. Let's go to play roller tour. As you can invest your coins, so here let me invest on 19 to 36. So yeah, I won the points. Like this, you need to play the game. And next, move on to the task, and here you can see finish 2 sets of scratcher. So first scratcher gets you 11 scratches, and the second scratcher you have to wait 1 hour. So we have finished all the scratches, and then here you can see the next scratch comes up with the limit reached, so we have to wait for a few time. Next is the play barricade. For then you need to invest your coins. So let's deal. I'm going where the we lost 500, and blackjack for 10 times. Hint. Okay, we lost it. And spin slots. Let's spin with the bet of 500. Yes, let's spin. Yes, we won more. And let's move on to the next. Play Lotto twice. Play again, quick pick, next quick pick, submit. So we have to wait 6 minutes after that. And next move on to the general task where you can do takes away report a bug, promo code, and then watch video. Let's tap on watch video to see whether it's passive or no. Well, let's close the ad. And we have got 300. Like this you can earn up to 21 times. And next moving on to the reward section over here. So here you can see I have 22.17 rupees of INR, where to redeem I have to collect 215.16. This is huge, but we have to do that to redeem the PayPal cash, which is almost equals to $3. I can calculate it. And let's move on to the redeem to try. So it says insufficient balance, you have to collect more coins, and when I tap on PayPal redeem it says insufficient balance. This is how the app works, guys. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon, also use my code to get into the app, and also make sure you refer your friends to get more. And here steps for earn cash: invite your friends to get 16 INR, and then daily check-in, you get 30k and 70k after your friend third and seventh check-in. This is great. And earn every day, you get 2k for every single check-in up to 13 days. That's awesome, guys, so you don't miss the chance to win. Bye bye.